January 2nd, 2021, early morning, 6 a.m. I'm heading to a farmland. It's 12 kilometers away from my home. Here they are, future Indian Army. This is the spot, my favorite place, until it becomes plots and flats. I hope that day won't come. Now I'm gonna take some photos and videos. With this video, I'm gonna tell a story about me a little bit. First thing is, getting out of comfort zone isn't easy. Waking up early in the winter morning just to travel here to take photos and videos. Begging for parents' permission. That's the big deal. People always stare at me whenever I go out with my tripod. Some people just don't care about me. Some people would be nosy. Always asking, where are you from? Are you studying or working? Are you come here to take photos? Why are you taking photos? You are a girl, don't go alone. Ha! I'm tired of hearing this. But I wanna go everywhere all alone. I wanna be free, like a bird. Whenever I travel in bus, if I see greeny lands, forests, mountains, I feel like I just jump from the bus and run into the forest. I'm looking strange to myself. I know what I'm really doing. Learned music, now wandering everywhere. Not working. Do I want to be a wildlife photographer? Do I want to be an explorer, adventurer, traveler? What I'm passionate about? I'm confused. But I enjoy traveling, exploring, taking photos, videos. That's why I'm uploading videos in YouTube. There are tons of beautiful things around us, but not everyone can see it. I want to show my view of the world, beauty of the nature, to you through my videos. I saw an hill temple on the other side of the lake. I'll also go there one day. Oh, my mother nature, you are so beautiful. This soil and nature created by human. This is also beautiful. Today I have walked 2 kilometers almost. Emotionally, physically, mentally good for health. That's it people. If you like this video, go like, comment, share. If you wanna see more videos like this, go subscribe. Bye. I wanna be fluent in English. That's why I'm practicing here. I'm not putting sin. There's nothing to put sin. It's just a language.